Ewch, o ma. I think I've shot myself. Yma, bobl y Jeff, gyda fi, Gwyneth Keyworth. Chuffing egg jackpot.
Frank, for chuffing crying out loud. Newch chi behafio os gwelwch yna. So, I said, Margaret, that is not the way you peel an orange, I said. Ble mae ystafell G ceffyl bach, eh? Ble mae ystafell? Oh, I don't know. Hey, beth ydy ef? And for this. Frank, mae y G ceffyl bach yn siarad Cymraeg, Frank. Mae gen I fi, come on, mae gen I fi, bydlen, bach. Oh, llongyfarchiadau Gary, well done. A gwir yn erbyn y byd, Frank. It's heddwch all the way. O, edrych bron, dyma dau llendirar. Siamai, dau?
Da iawn, bron fach, sy'n ti lle chi di bod te, boys?
Bod ni wedi bod yn torri'r caglau. Ac mae bron wedi bod yn y fferm drws nesaf, yn sbaddu. We had to do something, they had 26 children. O, nhw drws I gwrdd ydyn nhw. Os gen I chi caglau dau? Tony. Wow. Ti wedi saethiaf. You've shot him right up the arse. Lan yr asyn. Chuffing egg. Frank. Nurse. Turd. Mae o Frank wedi cael damwaith. Quick. Mae e'n chuffing catatonic. Sefyll Cerys Matthews ydw I. Yes, dyma gitar. Dyma jacket fi, mae'n neis iawn. Here we go. Rank Gymraeg yn sgwelwch yna. Oh, sorry, dyma ni'n am symud. Symud y dwad. Oes na rhywun yna? Oh, rydw i'n teimlo rhywbeth. Rydw i'n teimlo ddercryniad. Oh, they've gone again. Oh, I'll try and get them back.